skyscrapers rising overnight, businesses flocking in from all over the country, and real estate prices, well, they're climbing by the day. West Palm Beach, Florida is experiencing a construction and development explosion like we've never seen before. And if you thought that this was just a sleepy coastal paradise for retirees, well, think again. So stay tuned because in the next 20 minutes, we're going to be uncovering everything that you need to know about the biggest transformation that Palm Beach County has ever witnessed.
Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into real estate trends and opportunities that can literally change your life. And whether you're dreaming of a waterfront condo, debating if it's time to sell your family home, or simply curious about how West Palm Beach is evolving, well, this video is for you. In today's episode, we're going beyond the headlines. We'll take a close look at the massive construction projects shaping the city, explore how they'll impact property values, and give you the real scoop on whether now is the time to buy or sell. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy to capitalize on the West Palm Beach real estate boom. So let's get started. Popular surge. Rapid influx of new residents. Over the last decade, West Palm Beach has attracted a surge of new residents, from retirees seeking a sunny retirement haven to young professionals and families fleeing colder states. This demographic shift has accelerated over the past few years, partially due to the rise of remote work. People now realize that they can keep their high-paying jobs while enjoying a year-round warm climate. 2. Diverse age groups and lifestyles. Unlike the outdated stereotype of Florida solely being for retirees, West Palm Beach is now seeing a healthy mix of millennials, Gen Xers, and even international investors. Cultural diversity is growing, with new restaurants, art galleries, and music venues cropping up in response to a younger, more vibrant crowd. Impact on infrastructure and public services. The city's administration is scrambling to keep up with the population boom here in West Palm Beach. New schools, public parks, and healthcare facilities are in the works to meet rising demand, ensuring that the area remains an attractive option for growing families. Economic drivers and job market. Business relocation and startup scene. Major corporations, tech startups, and financial institutions are relocating or expanding right here into the Palm Beach County area, lured by business-friendly taxes and a pro-development local government. This influx of companies is creating thousands of new jobs, further fueling real estate demand. Tourism and hospitality. Tourism remains a significant pillar of West Palm Beach's economy, and with new hotels and resorts in planning stages, job opportunities in hospitality, event management, and recreation are all skyrocketing. Airbnb and vacation rental markets are also thriving, offering property owners an alternative revenue stream. Luxury market and international buyers. High net worth individuals from around the globe, including South America and Europe, are choosing West Palm Beach for second homes or vacation properties. This international interest boosts the high-end segment of the real estate market, causing ripple effects throughout the entire housing spectrum, from condos to sprawling estates. Lifestyle advantages. Waterfront living. With some of the best beaches and waterfront dining options, West Palm Beach is a paradise for boating enthusiasts, beachgoers, and water sport fans. Proximity to the Intercoastal Waterway offers unique opportunities for waterfront properties that come with private docks and panoramic ocean views. Arts and cultural scene. The Norton Museum of Art, Kravis Center for the Performing Arts, and a burgeoning local art scene elevate the cultural fabric of the city. Monthly festivals, concerts, and community events contribute to a vibrant atmosphere that appeals to both young professionals and retirees. Recreational spaces and sports. Golf courses, tennis centers, and nature trails cater to an active lifestyle. Wellington's equestrian events draw crowds from around the world, solidifying Palm Beach County as a sports and recreation hub.
And all of these factors, well, combined, they create an undeniable surge in demand here for West Palm Beach real estate. And where exactly is the growth taking us? Well, let's dive into the big projects that are transforming our skyline.
Current and future construction plans. Downtown high-rises and mixed-use developments. The Brightline high-speed rail service connecting Miami to Orlando with a stop in West Palm Beach is spurring transit-oriented developments. New apartment complexes and mixed-use projects are clustering around the station, offering convenient car-free access to the rest of South Florida. Luxury condo towers and office buildings. Several high-rise projects are in the works along Flagler Drive, promising upscale condos with stunning water views. Class A office towers are also on the rise, drawing more businesses to relocate or expand to the city's core. Retail and entertainment hubs. Areas like Rosemary Square, formerly City Place, continue to evolve, blending retail, dining, and entertainment in walkable urban corridors. Expect more pedestrian-friendly plazas and outdoor spaces designed for weekend festivals, concerts, and cultural events. Suburban expansion and master plan communities. New developments in Wellington and Royal Palm Beach. Large home builders are constructing master plan communities featuring resort-style amenities from clubhouse pools to jogging trails. These communities cater to families seeking a suburban lifestyle with easy access to city conveniences. Growth in Palm Beach Gardens and Jupiter. Known for high-end golf courses and tranquil neighborhoods, these areas are witnessing the rise of gated communities targeting affluent buyers. Many developments feature modern designs, integrated smart home technology, and energy-efficient construction. Connectivity and infrastructure. As suburban areas expand, roadway improvements and new highway interchanges are in progress to alleviate traffic. Enhanced public transportation options, including expanded bus routes and future rail extensions, aim to reduce congestion and make commuting smoother. Public works and environmental sustainability. Green building initiatives. The city's administration and several private developers are pushing for LEED certified buildings. This is not only going to reduce environmental impact, but also lowers utility costs for residents. Expect more solar panel installations, electric car charge stations, and eco-friendly landscaping across new developments. Upgrades to public spaces. The city plans to renovate parks and waterfront areas, integrating walking paths, bike lanes, and improved lighting for safety. Preservation efforts for local wetlands and wildlife habitats aim to balance urban development with environmental stewardship. Flood mitigation and storm resilience. Well, given Florida's vulnerability to hurricanes, many projects now include fortified construction standards. New drainage systems, seawalls, and water management strategies are all part of the region's forward-thinking approach to climate changes.
From upgraded transit hubs to futuristic high-rises and eco-friendly suburban enclaves, West Palm Beach is on the brink of a full-scale transformation. But how does this construction boom affect you? Well, if you're looking to buy property here, well, let's go break it down.
What it means for potential buyers. Rising property values and the competitive market. Well, first of all, early bird advantages. Buying in pre-construction phase or early in the development cycle can yield significant equity gains down the road. Many developers are offering incentives like reduced closing costs or upgraded finishes to early buyers. Supply and demand dynamics. Well, as West Palm Beach becomes more popular, demand is outstripping supply in many neighborhoods. Bidding wars on desirable properties are increasingly common, so be prepared to move quickly once you find that home that you love. Navigating financing and interest rates. Interest rates can fluctuate, so working with a mortgage broker who understands the local market is crucial. Consider locking in a rate when you see favorable terms, as construction booms often coincide with changing lending environments. Varied housing options. High-rise condominiums, perfect for those looking for low-maintenance living with resort-style amenities. Think rooftop pools, fitness centers, and 24/7 security. Condominium associations may have rules and fees, so be sure to understand them before committing. Single-family homes and townhomes. Well, these are ideal for families needing more space or those who value privacy and a backyard. Newer developments offer modern designs with open floor plans, smart home features, and energy-efficient appliances. Historic and established neighborhoods. Areas like Northwood, Flamingo Park, and Elmstead boast historic charm, tree-lined streets, and unique architectural styles. Renovated older homes can also be a great investment, though they may come with higher maintenance costs and stricter preservation guidelines. Long-term investment and rental opportunities. Well, number one, buy to rent strategy. If you're not planning to live in West Palm Beach full-time, well, renting out your property can cover mortgage expenses and potentially generate income. Seasonal rentals command premium prices during tourist peaks, especially near waterfront and in high-demand neighborhoods. Vacation rentals. Short-term platforms like Airbnb allow owners to capitalize on those high tourist demands. Then be mindful of local ordinances regulating vacation rentals. Compliance is key to avoiding fines or legal issues. Future resale value. If the area continues to attract businesses and residents, property values could keep trending upward. Even properties further from downtown can see appreciation as the region becomes more built out and infrastructure improves.
If you're looking to buy property here, well, let's go break it down. Buying property in a boomtown like West Palm Beach can be incredibly rewarding if you plan properly. But what if you're already a homeowner right here? Well, let's explore the pros and the cons of selling now or holding on to your investment.
The pros and cons for current owners. Pros of selling. High demand, potential for quick sales. With low inventory and rising prices, well-priced homes can attract multiple offers within days, sometimes above the asking price. This is especially true for properties near new developments or in walkable neighborhoods close to amenities. Equity gains. Many current owners have seen double-digit percentage increases in home values just over a few years. Selling in a hot market can free up capital to reinvest in other opportunities, such as purchasing a larger home, investing out of state, or diversifying into other assets. Opportunity to downsize or upgrade. If you're nearing retirement or your family situation has changed, cashing in on the current market can help you move to a property that better fits your needs. Conversely, if you're looking for a bigger home, your existing equity might reduce the size of the next mortgage. Cons of selling. Well, higher replacement costs. If you plan to stay in the West Palm Beach area, you'll be buying right back into the same seller's market, likely at a premium. Some sellers are renting temporarily to wait for market conditions to stabilize, but that also comes with risks and rising rental costs. Future appreciation. By selling now, you might miss out on further equity gains if the market continues its upward trajectory. The construction boom isn't slowing down, and large-scale projects could keep pushing home values higher over the next several years. Tax implications and fees. Capital gain taxes and closing costs can eat into your profits. Florida's homestead exemptions also complicate matters. If you're currently benefiting from a homestead cap, well, you might lose those savings when purchasing a new home. Strategic considerations. Market timing. While market timing is never an exact science, staying informed about local trends and upcoming developments can help you decide the optimal moment to sell. Talk to local real estate experts, follow city council meetings, and read planning commission reports to understand future infrastructure changes, home improvements before selling. It goes to say simple upgrades like fresh paint, modern fixtures, or landscaping can significantly boost your home's appeal and asking price, as well as staging your home effectively can result in a faster sale and possibly multiple competitive offers. Rent versus sell. If you're not ready to let go of your property entirely, well, renting it out can provide a steady cash flow while you wait for the market to climb even higher. Keep in mind property management fees, maintenance costs, and the responsibilities of being a landlord.
Well, there's no one size fits all here. Your best move is going to depend on your own financial situation and your long term goals. However, one thing is clear: this level of development growth is a once in a lifetime opportunity. And that brings us to our final section and why you need to act now.
Seizing the first wave of growth, early entry versus late entry. Markets in the early stages of the boom often yield the highest returns for both buyers and investors. Waiting too long means buying at peak prices, reducing potential profit margins or affordability, high visibility and future demand. Well, with corporations like Goldman Sachs establishing offices right here in South Florida, and tech companies exploring satellite hubs, the demand for housing will likely keep rising. As remote workers discover the perks of living in a tropical climate, West Palm Beach's desirability will continue to escalate. Infrastructure improvements and lifestyle perks. Well, citywide infrastructure projects, improved public transit, and new entertainment districts further enhance quality of life, drawing even more people. If you secure a property before these enhancements are fully realized, you stand to gain from the subsequent value upswing. The risk of waiting it out. Well, potential market shifts. While buyers hope for a market correction or a dip in interest rates, well, the reality is that strong job growth and a constant influx of new residents often keep prices stable or rising. If you wait and prices continue to climb, well, you might be priced out of your desired neighborhood. Opportunity cost. Every day that you delay a decision could mean lost potential rental income, missed equity gains, or future property choices. Remember, time in the market usually beats timing the market, especially in areas undergoing rapid growth, competition, and escalating prices. As more people realize West Palm Beach's potential, competition intensifies. This may lead to bidding wars that drive up costs, making it harder for you to secure a property within your budget. Crafting your action plan. Consult local experts. A seasoned real estate agent like myself or financial advisor familiar with Palm Beach County can provide insights tailored to your goals and budget. They can also help you navigate local regulations from zoning changes to homestead exemptions. Get pre-approved for financing. If you're serious about buying, have your mortgage pre-approval ready. This positions you as a stronger contender in a competitive market. Shop around with multiple lenders to find the best rates and terms. Stay informed and adapt. Keep tabs on new construction announcements, upcoming commercial projects, and local government initiatives. And be ready to pivot if market conditions change. Flexibility is key in a booming, fast-paced market.
West Palm Beach is not just a vacation spot anymore. It's a thriving, dynamic city poised for massive growth. Now, whether you're looking to plant roots or make an investment, now is the time to capitalize on this once in a generation real estate surge. If today's deep dive has sparked your interest, or even if you still have questions, well, don't hesitate to book a call with me using the link in the description below. Now, I can help you navigate the hottest neighborhoods, break down the finance options, and develop a strategy tailored to your situation. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ask those questions so that we can educate as many people as possible about what's happening right here in the West Palm Beach and surrounding neighborhoods. And West Palm Beach is changing fast, and there is room for everyone, but you need to act now. Pay attention to what's going on, whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor. Make sure that you seize that moment while it's here and before it's gone. Well, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, stay informed, stay ahead of the game, and I'll see you on the next video.